Node.js applications, while extremely powerful, are somewhat fragile and vulnerable to crashes. There's a number of reasons for this, not the least of which is that it is a single-threaded application, and if anything you write throws an error, or any library you're using throws an error, that will take down the thread, and once the thread is down, it is down for the entire application. Because of this, it's extremely important to make your code rock solid before it goes to production. There's a number of ways to do that, like peer review, etc. But one of the ways that you can do that on your own is to add test coverage, use the Node debugger, do some lightweight linting of your own, and thoroughly comment your code so that anyone who is running this app in production or trying to debug an issue after you has a roadmap to help them in their process. In this section, we're going to go over how to gain stability with Node applications. First, we're going to talk about how to properly create errors, how Node thinks of error objects, and how to handle them when they're thrown. Then we're going to go into using the debugger. We did this somewhat already using the node_debug command when we're starting up applications, but there is a lot more that we can do using the debugger to step in and out of issues and walk through the code as it runs. Then we're going to go into using the strict flag to do a lightweight version of linting your code. Then we are actually going to create and add our own test runner to this code base. For this, we're going to use Node's built-in assertion library that comes out of the box and walk through how making different assertions can help you debug any issues as they arise. In the 2 lectures after that, we're going to add unit tests and full-on API integration tests respectively. And then we'll wrap up with a review of the Node modules that we've used during the section. So without further ado, we can move on to creating errors and handling them.